The visceral pericardium is located here. The right atria is here and it is deoxygenated. The left atria is over here and it is oxygenated. The apex is down here, the base of the heart. The left auricle is located here and it collects oxygenated blood from the lungs before transferring it into the left ventricle located down here. The right auricle is located here and it collects deoxygenated blood from the bloodstream and transfers it to the right ventricle, which is located here. The interventricular sulcus is this right here, and it contains the major vessels known as the great cardiac vein and the coronary sinus. The pulmonary trunk is located here, and it takes the blood to the lungs that is deoxygenated. The aorta is located here, and the blood goes to the body and it is oxygenated. The aortic notch would be located in this area here. The brachiocephalic artery would be located here. The superior vena cava would be located here, and the inferior vena cava would be located here. The superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava both pump deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. As stated earlier, the coronary sinus can be found in the internal anatomy of the heart, and it is an artery that contains oxygenated blood to the right atrium. The cusp of the valve is here. The papillary muscle is located here. The pulmonary semilunar valve is here, and the aortic semilunar valve is here. This pin represents the trabeculae carneae on the inner surface of the ventricle, and the intraventricular septum is located here. Then we have the bicuspid, which is located here, and then the tricuspid is located here. The chordae tendineae are these vein-like structures here. Pectinate is located right here in the inner wall of the right atrium. The myocardium of the right and left ventricle is located here, and it is 3 times thicker on the left than the right because the left must create a lot of pressure to pump blood into the aorta, whereas the right only pumps blood into the lungs. Then we have the trabeculae carneae located here.